Hi guys, I'm Jesse and welcome to Farol TV. I've been invited to take a look at one of our Farol supplied 8370 RTs doing a bit of drilling today on this lovely day. It's direct drilling straight into stubble, so we'll have a look, shall we? So how are you finding this?
I like this. I've got a lot of time for this. An awful lot of time for it. This gearbox is unbelievable for drilling.
Yeah.
It's like on that cap, you power shift jump from 12 to 13. If you wanted to be getting on a 15k, you couldn't because
you haven't got that gear in between.
Yeah, it was horrific.
Right, so what made you go to the John Deere?
A few things really. Like, I like the products. I think they're a nice place to sit.
Yeah.
Backup from you guys. Hopefully it's going to be good.
Definitely will be, I suppose.
Yeah.
I'm sure Dylan will try and keep you happy.
Oh, it should be. We've bought 3 tractors off him this year. You know they would look after you, but yeah, so that, and then price as well, to be honest. Competitively priced compared to Fence, which is obviously the other mate we looked at.
Yeah.
I just prefer how simple that is as well.
Yeah.
You're getting that, like we've got a 939 that I did some drilling over here with the Yorkshire, and it's not for me.
No.
I'm not saying it will be for everyone, and it's got some pluses like ability to do 65k on the road.
Yeah.
If you've got something on the back that can stand it, it's quite nice, but I just find it, there's no logical way around it, whereas this, everything sort of leads to the right place.
Yeah, it's not a bad screen, to be honest.
No, it's not, and you can flick from window to window.
That's it. You can sort of customise it how you want it. You can put things where you want it.
Exactly. Run it on a KV spreader that goes through this on the 6155.
Yeah.
Very rating, and it's so simple to use.
So did you say this was the second day you've done this? Is that because you only haven't had it long, or?
Yeah, it got delivered last week.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's next demonstration actually. But yeah, no impressed with it yesterday. Just be able to jump on it and crack on like we did. It was good.
Yeah.
No time setting the drill up or anything on it really. Yeah, don't like it. It's smooth on the road as well, to be fair, for a track layer. Never going to drive up a tractor, are they? But
no, but
you get them in a field now, and then you can compare a wheel machine to it, the capability that they've got.
Yeah.
It's the grip you get with it, that's what gets me.
Yeah.
You don't very often spin out. We went into the cultivator land yesterday. It is amazing how much less this drill takes to pull on that. It was taking along at 1500 revs yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, no problem.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Keep an eye out for obviously future videos, and if you enjoyed them, like it, share it and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. For more information though, if you do want to know, drop me an email at jesse@farol.co.uk.